Hey guys, today we're going to take a trip out to the land today, so more when I return on the Eric McNeal Be Free Show.
Black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual, free at last, free at last, thank God Almighty, we are free at last.
Hey guys, welcome. You've just discovered the Eric McNeal Be Free Show, where it's all about being financially independent, responsible for self, enjoying life, and empowering others free. So today we're going to take a trip out. I'm preparing to go out to the land. I'm still at the house now, but I want to show you we had some very, very heavy winds and a terrible storm yesterday. It brought a lot of rain. And I was in town all day yesterday, and I didn't get back until last night. And man, I saw some of the damage and stuff. I was like, wow, it was just like telephone poles down and trees down. And we didn't get too much here. Like you can see up here from my ceiling, a couple of the ceiling pieces blew out. So here they are. You know, I've been able to get them, but yeah. So that was the extent of our damage. But yeah, it was some terrible winds. But I must say that I was pleasantly surprised when, as I was walking home last night, there was just waters raging all around the mountain, you know, down the mountain. And but as soon as I stepped foot onto the compound here, it was just quiet. There was no water. There was no water buildup. And so I was, you know, pleasantly surprised that the work that we put in to the land to make sure that we wouldn't have any water buildup and things of that nature is actually working. While all the other lands, just water just raging around them and big puddles and everything. But when I got here, it's like nothing happened, you know. There was just absolutely no water buildup anywhere on this property. So I was extremely, you know, pleasantly surprised to see that. So, but at any rate, I'm going to go ahead and head out to the land. And actually, I'm glad I stopped to make this video because I need to put my boots on. I had put some tennis shoes on. I need to change these and put my boots because I know that water is built up out there. So this is outside the gate, and yeah, you can see the waters are still rushing off the mountain. Yeah, so all of the waters are coming down. You can see that here and there. And there's a stream at the bottom of the mountain, so they're going down there. So yeah, so that's coming off the mountain. And there's some more coming down here. That shows you how much rainfall we got yesterday. It was a very, very strong rain. So, yep, I'm going to the property, to the land now to see exactly what we're dealing with now at the land. All right, so I'll see you shortly. There's more water coming off the mountain. This is what happens when you don't have proper gutters. The water creates a gutter for you. Whether you like it or not, it's going to find a gutter for you. So essentially the road is becoming a gutter. Just one day of rain. This is what this is. Just one day of rain that you're seeing. And this is even after it stopped raining since yesterday evening. So this is next day, next morning that we're looking at this. Okay, guys, so that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna just make this a couple of videos, and yeah, I didn't realize it was gonna be that long. But at any rate, if you like what we're talking about, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think. And as always, you know, if you like what we're talking about, you can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Eric McNeal. It's free. And as always, Ooorahhh Uhuru. Now be free.